Discover the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. Style meets performance. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is here to redefine your smartphone experience, blending cutting-edge technology with exquisite design. With a choice of stunning colors and robust performance features, this phone is set to become your new favorite gadget. Let's dive into what makes the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion stand out. Color options. Marshmallow Blue. Embrace the serene and elegant Marshmallow Blue, available in a vegan leather finish. This color exudes sophistication, making it perfect for those who appreciate a touch of luxury in their everyday devices. Forest Blue. For a more understated yet classy look, the Forest Blue option offers a smooth matte finish. This color is perfect for professionals who want their phone to reflect their refined taste. Hot Pink. If you love to stand out, the hot pink variant with a vegan suede finish is the way to go. This vibrant color adds a playful yet chic vibe to your style. Storage options. 8 128ths of a gigabyte. Choose the 8 128ths of a gigabyte variant if you need ample space for your apps, photos, and videos without compromising on performance. 12 156ths of a gigabyte for those who crave more storage and smoother multitasking. The 12 156ths of a gigabyte option provides the perfect balance between capacity and speed. Exchange offer. Upgrade to the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion and save up to $17,249 by exchanging your old phone. Here's how the exchange process works. Step 1. Evaluate your old phone's value. Step 2. Apply the exchange discount to your new Motorola Edge 50 Fusion purchase. Step 3. Send in your old phone once you receive your new device. Additional offers. iQIYI Bank Credit Card Discount. Enjoy an instant 1,000 discount on purchases made with an ICICI Bank credit card. Plus, take advantage of up to 9 months of no-cost IMEI on your iQIYI Bank credit card. Cashback and promotions. Stay tuned for more cashback offers and promotions. And ensure you don't miss out on any opportunity to save on your new smartphone. Design and durability. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is crafted with precision. Curved edges and smooth contours. These elements provide a premium tactile experience. Ultra-thin design ensures the phone feels light and comfortable in your hand. Scratch-resistant screen keeps your display looking pristine. IP68 rating offers water and dust protection, perfect for adventurous users. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 adds an extra layer of protection against everyday bumps and bruises. Camera capabilities. Limitless creativity. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion elevates your photography with its powerful features. Designed for the dark, the 50MP main camera with a Lydia sensor captures stunning low-light photos with minimal noise. Ultra-wide angle. The 120th lens fits more into your frame, perfect for landscapes and group photos. Macro vision lens. Get 4x closer to your subject and capture intricate details. Quad pixel technology. The 32MP front camera ensures your selfies are always on point. Unlock even more photo magic with editing tools like Magic Editor, Magic Eraser, and Photo Unblur available through Google Photos starting May 15, 2024. Display and performance. Cinematic entertainment. Experience your favorite content in over 1 billion shades of true-to-life color on the 6.7-pole display. The endless edge design ensures an immersive viewing experience, engineered to excite. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 processor, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion offers fast and reliable performance with excellent battery efficiency. Store all your essentials with up to 256 gigabytes of space, ensuring you never run out of room for your photos, videos, games, and more. Privacy and security. Moto Secure. Protect your data with advanced security features. Fingerprint unlock. Quickly and securely access your phone by touching the display glass above the optical sensor. Network security management. Control app permissions and secure your network with ease. Secret folder. Keep your most sensitive data safe. Conclusion. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement of style and performance. Whether you prefer the serene Marshmallow Blue, the sophisticated Forest Blue, or the vibrant hot pink, there's a color and finish to match your personality. With powerful camera capabilities, robust performance, and top-notch security features, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is designed to meet all your needs. Stay tuned for more offers and make sure to grab this stunning device as soon as it's back in stock.